vlogging every day in May. Good morning, today is Thursday, the day 4 of VDM. I just put my eye drops in, my really itchy eyes today because of the pollen. My mum's taking the cat to the vet later because she says she's got long claws and stuff. And I'm making myself a cheese and ham sort of toasted sandwich. So, yeah. But I'll show you guys. I've got my granary bread in the toaster. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'm just on my lunch at the moment, and those brownies went down like a treat. There's literally nothing left. Oh, there's like one piece. I also got some nachos as well for the girls, or tortilla chips, and they've gone down well. But my favourite Heatwave haven't been opened, so I might just take them home for later. I'm just having some other nachos now, and I'm having some soup noodles that are cooking in the microwave. So, So these aren't the healthiest thing in the world, but they're soup noodles. They're really tasty and they fill the gap. And well, it's my birthday tomorrow, so yeah. And I eat them in this because it's easier to put them in the microwave. And with work and stuff and like carrying it to work, it just makes it easier because then like this is such an easy thing to cook it in. You know, you just put boiled water in from the kettle, put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes, and then hey presto, soup noodles. So yeah, they're just my lunch for the now. And those tortilla chips are still on the table, so I might take them home. And do you like that card? It reminds me of Freddie Mercury. I just love it. So yeah, and then tonight I'll probably just have some chicken chips and stuff. And do some more editing. And then I've got to charge my new camera, and that'll be exciting. And then for tomorrow is my birthday, and I keep going on about it. But yeah, I love birthdays, and some of you guys are like, oh, you know. Some people can probably obviously understand what it's like, and other people don't really care, but I like birthdays. I'm a big birthday person because you're celebrating the day you were born, you know, you're born in the world. I know some people are like this and that, but I'm one of those people that I like birthdays. I joke around with my friends and my family and saying I'm going to be like an 80-year-old old woman sitting in a care home being like, oh, I love birthdays, it's my birthday tomorrow, it's my birthday. So yeah, but I'm just going to say, yeah, it's a good day at work. I work weird hours. I only do like 6-7 hours a day, but it's still quite long because I work with children. And I was in the preschool room as well, and they sang happy birthday to me, and I got a little sticker. I actually got 3, but I lost the other 2. So yeah, so I'm just going to eat my noodles now because I get a short break. And I've still got my, if you followed my Vlogmas, I've still got my Pusheen water bottle thing. Anyway guys, take care and I'll see you later. Bye! I've just finished work now, and I'm just walking home, and I got a couple little birthday cards from the kids at work. It was really sweet. It's like little handprints from like a couple of the rooms, and yeah, literally there's like one brownie left, and the Doritos went down really well as well, so I'm really pleased about that. Oh no, I can't cross the road there. So that's exciting. And I forgot what I was going to say. So yeah, I'm going to head home now and make myself some dinner, and yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Hi guys, it's about 10 o'clock now, and I'm probably going to end the vlog here. It's another quite a randomish one, but I'm going to be doing more stuff tomorrow, so that'll be good. It'll be like a longer video with my new camera. Miss Congeniality's just started on 5-star or something. Is it 5-star or Channel 5 or one of those channels? And it's like one of my favourite movies, so I'm going to watch that now. Anyway, guys, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All my social media links are in the description. And I'll speak to you guys again soon for another feed dem. Alright, bye!